Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energies, and we'll be picking few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So two cards actually from the Oracle deck. So this is for your career and this is for your relationship, guys, Taurus, and this is the angel guidance card. So we'll turn the cards now, Taurus, for your daily energies. King of Swords, Two of Swords, and the Sun. Taurus, with these cards, I feel here that you are a person of great strength and determination. You do things in a particular way and you take courageous decisions, whatever situations may be, and people look up to you for your strength and courage and your counsel and suggestions in times of need. So, you are ready to do anything and you are a very strong person with conviction, with a firm conviction. That is what I see here. And whatever is coming towards you, guys, you are really fortunate for it. That's what I see here. Maybe you are facing two choices you need to make today, and you are not accepting some truth that is revealing itself, guys. So you may be stressed because of that, but with this card here, with the Sun card, I feel whatever stress that you are facing today, you will be able to overcome it, guys, because of that great inspiration, confidence you feel within yourself, and things will take a turn towards a positive, guys. So whatever stress or whatever negative feelings you were having, it will change to give that joy and energetic situation, and a situation full of assurance and confidence, guys. You will have the clear vision what you need to do today. So let us see what is the oracle card for your career, higher power. With this card, the energy for your career, Taurus, is that sometimes in life you may feel intuitive guidance. So when making certain decisions, you may have intuition towards a particular choice. You may see ideas flowing towards you, some kind of intuitive nudges pointing you towards the right direction. So when you have that intuitive guidance, you need to take up the choice. So when you do that, you will reach success in your life, guys, Taurus. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, new life. With this card, the oracle's guidance, guys, is that you are heading towards a new life in your relationship. Maybe you are with a new person and you have to allow that delicate opening of things, guys. So whatever new thing is coming towards you, maybe if you are already in a relationship, you may find a new energy inspiring you, bursting in you with that sweetness and vibrancy. So it is the time to just enjoy, share this excitement, passion and joy with this person. So this is a very auspicious card here, guys. So this just means that you will be able to find that loving, understanding and caring partner in this person with whomever you are right now. So that is the energy with this card. Let us see what is the angel guidance card. Generosity. With this card, the angels guidance for us, guys, is that we need to be that supportive person, guys. So in our life we see so many people in need. so we can help them monetarily, financially, if it is possible for us. If not, we can share our time and energy. So when we do that, we heal and support that person. We bring in friendship and a sense of support and belonging in that person, in that relationship, guys. So when somebody shows that kindness towards us, shows that generosity towards us, we need to accept it happily and pass it on to someone who needs it, guys. So when we do that, we build that sense of community and support, and we open our hearts to more kindness, compassion and generosity. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do today. So we need to be that generous, supportive person. And that is the reading for us today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.